Hello there, Modern Man. On today's episode, I'm going to tell you today 4 things that you can do right now that will naturally boost your testosterone starting this week. And the fourth thing, you're going to be very surprised to find out what it is. Keep it to the end until you hear the fourth thing. Because that's the one alone that can change everything for you. I'm Dr. Ian Truong. I'm a sexual health specialist for the last 26 years. I've treated over 7,000 men with ED. Here's what's happening in your body right now. After the age of 30, testosterone drops 1 to 2% every single year. By the time you're 50 or 60, you can be at least 30 to 40% lower than you were in your prime. Now, what does that feel like? Low energy, weight gain, and also loss of muscle, belly fat, and also chest fat as well, brain fog, weaker erection, lower libido. Sound familiar? Now, most doctors will hand you over a prescription, a pill, an injection. And I understand why, because those things do work. But there's a natural path that is proven by science. It starts with something most men are completely ignoring. Not all exercises are equal when it comes to testosterone. Most men are doing it the wrong kind. And today, I'm going to show you exactly what to do instead. 4 things starting right now. So listen carefully, modern man. So think of testosterone like a factory. That factory needs a reason to run at full capacity, right? So if you go for a walk around the block, the factory says, oh, we're fine. We no need to ramp up. But when you challenge your large muscle group, like your legs, your buttock, your back, and your core, the factory gets a very different signal. It says, we need more testosterone. We need more growth hormone. Fire everything up. So this is compound resistant training. And the research is very clear. There was a study that was published in the journal Strength and Conditioning. Research showed that men who performed compound resistant exercises had significantly higher testosterone level than men who does cardio alone. So it is like your muscle. You go to the gym and you do bicep curls, and when you do biceps curls, it stretches the muscle. The body try to repair that muscle by adding more cells, and that is how the muscle becomes bigger and stronger. Well, same thing happens when you challenge your large muscle group. Those are the large buttock muscle, the leg muscle, the ab muscle. Your body repairs, your body rebuilds, and produce more testosterone in the process. So let me walk you through exactly what to do. 4 things. You ready? Here we go, guys. So, number 1, body weight squat. Yes, this is the king of all testosterone producing movement. Why is this the king of testosterone producing movement? Because it activates large muscle group all at once in just one exercise. Your quadricep, your hamstring, your glutes, your core, all working together. That is the signal your testosterone factory needs. Here's how to do it correctly. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Pose toes pointed outward. Lower yourself down like you're sitting on a chair. Go until your eyes are parallel to the floor, almost like 90 degrees, or as close as you can. Then push back through your heels. Now, here's the key to do it correctly. Slow it down. 3 seconds lowering, pause, and then 2 seconds back up. That controlled tension is what triggers the hormone response. Your prescription, 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps, 3 times per week. That's it. Just squat about 90 degrees, and you just need 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. That's it. All right, ready for number 2? Number 2 is the hip hinge, the squat that works in the front of your leg. The hip hinge works the back, the hamstring, the glutes, and your lower back. So together, they activate nearly every big muscles around your waist. And that combination is the most powerful testosterone signal you can send. So here's how to do it. Stand tall, soft bend your knee, and then now push your hip back like someone that has a rope around your waist and is pulling you backward. Keep your back straight. Feel the stretch in the back of your legs and drive your hip forward to stand back up again. This is the 1 rep. So it's a simple movement, but do not let that fool you. The Romanian deadlift, that is the name, is one of the most studied exercises for testosterone response in men over 50. Your prescription, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Do this the same day as your squat, same session. They are partners. Now, number 3, walking. With a target. I know what you're thinking. Walking? That's nothing. But here's what nobody's telling you about walking and testosterone. Walking at a moderate pace for 30 to 45 minutes lower cortisol, which is a stress hormone that suppresses testosterone, but it also suppresses erection as well. So when cortisol goes down, testosterone goes up. You see the seesaw? So this is why walking is important, but the target matters. Research shows that men who hit 7,000 steps a day have more testosterone level than men who do not. So not 10,000, not 15,000, but just only 7,000. So this is your prescription, 7,000 steps a day, every day. You'll be amazed how many steps you can add in a day. For instance, parking farther away, taking the stairs, a short walk after dinner, it all adds up. And moderate exercise just means that when you're walking, you want to walk at a pace where it's hard for you to count up to 10, but you can still talk. Okay, modern man, if you're struggling with weak erection, low energy, the food you eat could be the big part of the problem. One of the best research-backed ways to boost circulation, support healthy testosterone, and improve sexual performance is the Mediterranean diet. It's packed with food that open up your blood vessel, lower inflammation, and fuel your hormone naturally. I've seen men notice real improvement in both energy and erection within weeks when they shift to this style of eating. So check out the Mediterranean diet link right here below and get that as soon as you can. Stronger testosterone and better erection. Now, before I give you the fourth thing, the one thing that's going to surprise you, I want to tell you about something that can accelerate everything we are talking about today. So if you want a complete program designed specifically for you for increasing your testosterone, energy, erection, and sexual confidence, check out the Get Heart System to see if this is something that will work for you. Go to the link down below or type in the link Renew with Dr. Ann. Check it out if this is something that you want to get started to get you back in the game again. Check the link down below. So here's the fourth thing. And I told you this is the one thing that's going to surprise you. It is not a new exercise. It is not a supplement. It's when you do it. Research shows that men who exercise in the morning between 7 a.m. and 10 a.m., they get significant higher testosterone boost from the exact same workout compared to men who do that same workout in the evening. Same exercises, same set, same rep. But the morning group gets a higher testosterone response. Why? Because in the morning, your cortisol is naturally at its highest point. And here's the fascinating part. When you pair elevated cortisol with resistant training in the morning, your body amplifies the testosterone response. It is like giving your testosterone factory a double shift. So studies have shown that morning exercise, you can see up to 30% greater post-exercise testosterone spike compared to evening exercise, or 30 from the same workout. So the full prescription is this: squat and hip hinge 3 times a week, walk 7,000 steps every day, and do your resistance training in the morning between 7 a.m. and 10 a.m. That combination, that is your testosterone protocol right here. So let me bring it all together. Number 1, the bodyweight squat, 3 sets of 10 to 15. Number 2, the hip hinge, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps, and do both 3 times per week. Number 3, walk 7,000 steps every day, as most of you can, or 4 to 5 times a week. And then number 4, do this in the morning between 7 a.m. and 10 a.m. This is when your body is primed to respond. Now, how long before you feel a difference? Here's what I see in my patient. Within about 2 to 3 weeks, believe it or not, you have better energy, better sleep, and within 4 to 6 weeks, mood improve, drive come back, erection come back. By 8 to 12 weeks of consistency, testosterone level increases in blood work, and erection quality comes right along with it as well. So you do not need a prescription for this. You do not need a shot. You just need to give your body the right signal, consistency, and your body will respond. That is what it's designed to do. Just like you brush your teeth every day, right? You take care of your smile. You do these movements 3 times a week to take care of your hormones, and your confidence will follow. just know that you do not have to suffer with ED and that you have sexual confidence. You can reverse ED. And I believe that every man watching this right now can do it. So I want to hear from you. Leave a comment what your biggest challenge right now is with testosterone, with your energy, or even with your ED at this time. And just remember to hit the subscribe button and notification and share it with somebody that you love. And just know that there is a solution available for you. Check out the Get Hard system to see if this is something that will work for you at this point. Check the link down below and do me a favor. Let me know what you'd like to hear next. I'll see you next episode. I appreciate you.